Welcome back to Good Morning, Boss. Mga boss, mahilig ba kayo sa stage play? Nako, tamang-tama itong susunod na segment. Ano kaya itong Dulaang UP? Alamin natin yan sa I Love My Culture.
I am an actress!
Can you believe she's 40?
Look, that idiot... So she...
Ang ika-40th season ng Dulaang Universidad ng Pilipinas ay magtatanghal ng 2 Shakespeare tragedies. At ang tema ng 40th season ay pinamagatang 2020 Vision, Clarity, Originality, Perspective.
I think what's very, very important for Dulaang UP is to make sure the wide range or the wide range of repertoire. So for this year, we have a Shakespeare. Also, we have a adaptation of Shakespeare, and also we have an adaptation of a modern play, which is Peer Gynt, which is going to be translated into Filipino already. And of course, we have a contemporary play, which is The Dressing Room. So that's very, very exciting for Dulaang UP. It's very, very important for Dulaang UP to show the distinct styles of every director, their own vision as they create their own individual style. We come up with a season which is very, very exciting, that would still span the academic periods of the theater, the world periods of the theater, and to make it really accessible for all our audiences, not only to the University of the Philippine students, but to our theater patrons as well.
Ang mga directors, actors, guest artists at mga staff ng Dulaang Universidad ng Pilipinas ay nagpaunlak ng isang presko na dinaluhan ng batikang actor-director ng movie industry na sina Leo Rialp at Joel Lamangan, na ipinakita ang kanilang husay at galing sa pag-arte sa entablado.
Wala na siyang buhay, kagaya ng lupa! Salamin? Kailangan ko ng salamin. Kapag ang salamin ay nagkulap at naglamay, buhay siya. And sought to stake my all on her kind cherishing. Hence, and avoid my sight! Oh, so be my grave. My peace as here I give, her father's heart of her. I give the great pleasure for Dulaang.
Ipinagmalaki din ng founding artistic director Tony Mabesa ang mga achievements ng DUP. At ayon sa kanilang current artistic director Dexter Santos, DUP is committed to uphold its standards for education, training, artistic innovation, and unfretted vision.
Dulaang UP has staged 14 Shakespearean productions.
It's about time that we tell the Philippine theater that we're very, very happy and we're very, very proud of them. Of course, we are very grateful that they come back here to do production so that they share their expertise to their students.
Napakagaling. Ikaw ba, Jules, nung ikaw ay asa UP, nanonood ka ba ng kanilang mga dula?
Of course. Kasi isa yan sa pinakasikat na grupo sa UP on theater. So, kailangan panoorin yan ng mga boss natin. Kasi seasonal yan. Marami yan silang plays.
Ito, yung pinalabas sa I Love My Culture, ito yung mga veterano na talaga.
Mahusay talaga yung mga yan.
Ayan.